Okay, if you want to replace the sky in your image, if you have found the perfect picture but the sky for some reason is not working for you, that's a really easy change. You can just go to Edit, Sky Replacement, and this new box will come up. It'll detect the sky for you. You can choose from several kinds. You can do blue sky, sunsets. Right here, you can watch as it happens. If you just want clouds in the sky, you can do that once you've selected something, and then you can even adjust from there as well. You can make, if you want it brighter, like a nice sunny day, or a little darker, however warm you want it. If you want it to feel cold, cooler, warmer, you can do all that. So that's a pretty neat trick.